welcome everyone to my shop. I know I told you guys several months ago that I was going to get you some videos started on building guitars using a CNC machine. Well, you're probably thinking it's about darn time. So without further ado, let's get this party started on part 1. After choosing the body blanks, the joining edge gets jointed before glue up. Titebond is the glue that we use for the mahogany body. Let's glue up some curly maple tops for that mahogany body. We're thickness planing the body blank this time. Now I'm getting ready to cut out the blank. The wire trench and some weight relief is being taken out now. Now the curly maple top is being glued to the mahogany bottom with hot glue. We now install the body, top, and bottom in a press to keep consistent pressure on the glued top and bottom. After the glued up top and bottom comes out of the press, it is placed back on the CNC to have the top cut out to match the bottom precisely. All 3 bodies now ready to be milled. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the back now and start doing the milling of the pod and the 3-way switch pockets. Start with, it's going to be milling out your pockets for your plastic cover plates, or if you're going to use wood or whatever it may be. It's going to precisely mill this, and the way I mill them is I don't mill them to the specs. I make a little bit of a change to mine, and sometimes I use ebony or rosewood for the covers to make it more elegant. But once it gets through milling the pockets, it will come back later in another video and it will go back and do a profile down in the bottom of actually your pockets. It'll cut about a 7.3 degree angle there, just like it will on the neck angle, which is 4.4, and your pickup plane is going to need to be about 1.2 degrees. And all this is done with the CNC machine without you having to do anything but fine sand it at the end. It makes life a lot easier. Now we're cutting out the pod right there. And this would be a straight cut. It will cut it down to the bottom, down close to the depth that we do a 3D bevel. Then it'll pull out. Then it'll come in a minute and it's going to cut about a 3/4 inch profile around the body. And that's not going to be nothing but just so I can tell by looking at it, you know, where it's located. And also when I cut the top out, I don't have to cut completely through the blank. I know I left a mess there, but I forgot to turn on the vacuum. Now it's going to cut the profile. And I actually have it running very slow, about 80 inches a minute. I can do it 300 to 400 inches with no problem, without any issues. This is just about to conclude this video on part 1, so stay tuned for part 2 coming up very soon. Thank you.